How to add profile photo on Spendee app. Are you guys facing issues to add profile photo on Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this more icon. Click on it. Tap on your profile name. In order to add your profile photo, click on this camera icon. Choose the photo that you want to add. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to add photo on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Spendee app, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.